Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to speed up your iPhone without resetting it. So number one step is that you will just open the settings and you will just find in the search bar that reduce motion. I will just tap on it, reduce motion. So here you will see, and from here you will just turn it on. It will be just giving you the faster performance on iPhone. And the second step is that if someone's have an old iPhone, which is mean like 14 Pro less models, so I will just open again settings. So you will just find the background app. So this is the background app refresh. So you will just turn it off, because when you just turn it off, so it will be just give you the smooth and faster performance without resetting it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.